Welcome, my is an EMPORIA Smart.5 and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. Now to get started, all you need to do is hold your power key, select power off, and when the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that. Power key, volume up. And there we are. That is how you boot into Bootloader. Now in this mode you will need to use both of the volume keys only one volume key to navigate, which is volume up, and volume down will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with that in mind, we can boot the device into recovery mode, to Fasboot mode, or normal boot, which takes us back to Android. That is what I'm going to select right now, confirm it. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.